I bought a high mileage BMW from Copart. This is what I like. High mileage BMWs. What's up YouTube? This is new to me, BMW 430D. I bought it from Copart. I'm planning on rebuilding it, and this is my first video. I'm recording it from my small garage. Car is in good shape, but my garage is not in good shape. Car has a front and right side damage. I think it's one of the best ones. You don't need a body shop to make the repairs. Mostly bolt-on parts. I sourced most of the parts. I think it will be a fast transformation, but who knows. Like I said earlier, I sourced some parts and the no, fuck, camera, come on. Good. I got the bumper, hood, right fender, and stuff under here. About all of them, mostly from eBay. Get ready the garage for more disassembling. I usually put cardboards under here before make a mess with my Mito, but it's okay. And these rims has to go. It's not the original rims. Comes with the car. They're pretty corroded. These are all the parts I get for the repair. These are plastic parts in the bumper, kidney grills. I bought a Taiwanese bumper, it's okay with all the parts. 4 Series has limited supply of used bumpers on the eBay. These are the under support stuff. This is the right side radiator brackets. This is radiator support. And this is the headlight. And some park sensors, fog lights. This is a new fender. Oh, there's some dents here. Painted, it's okay. This is the bumper brackets. I bought it from BMW. Also got the hood, and I was lucky I found it in Spain. It is the same color with the car. It has some. This is my old car hood. I will discuss this later. These are the stuff I need. On the next part I will disassemble the car to see the damage, and probably these parts probably these parts will be okay to finish it, in my opinion. But yeah, this is a new journey for me. The car will be good. Also, I bought it from the Copart auction. I checked the car vertical, but they don't let you, they don't give you the VIN number before you buy the car, so you buy it blindly. But the car vertical is also clean. Other than that, the car has 204,000 kilometers, but surprisingly it's a one owner car and full BMW maintenance history. I guess this will be good start, and maybe we make some profit, I don't know, but I really like the car and it is so cheap. I will also discuss the price at the end of the build, how much I paid for the car and all of the stuff. But that's it. Subscribe for more of this kind of videos. I'm planning to do more in the future. It is difficult to talk to a camera, and it is difficult to make this alone. If I had a friends with me, it would be much easier to talk, but it's okay. Yeah, subscribe, like and follow. I don't know. Subscribe for more.